Our next speaker is Teresa Mills. She is a seasoned helper of communities and keeping them clean. And she started in her own backyard in Columbus. And she's an inspiration to all of us. Come on up, Teresa.
I love the way she said helper. I've been certainly called a lot worse. My nickname when I was working on the trash burning power plant was the housewife from hell. And I encourage everyone to join my club. Oh, sorry. It should be all injection well. Yes. All PowerPoints. Okay, Columbus. Okay. I first and foremost am not a scientist, but I so appreciate those who are. I've worked with Julie for many, many years, probably too many years, and she has taught me a great deal. I am an activist, and I hope every one of you in this room become an activist. 20-some years ago, I never dreamed that here it is 20 years later, and I would be standing at the Columbus Public Library trying to protect our community once again. And I am ready for a fight. Okay, Pennsylvania waste coming to Ohio's landfills. Pennsylvania's waste coming to Ohio landfills. Why does that not say Ohio drilling waste going to Ohio landfills? Because Ohio does not track the oil and gas waste that goes to our landfills. Okay, here you'll see some of the waste that came from Pennsylvania, and this was in 2012. And you can see the basic sediment, drill cuttings, drilling fluid, flowback fluid, flowback fracking sand. I can't see what that last one says. Okay. Okay, but you can see all of the waste that came from Pennsylvania to Ohio, to our landfills. This the 1, 2, 3, 4. I think the 4th facility down, the soil remediation in Lowellville, I think they just got shut down by the federal EPA because what they were doing was illegal. Okay, waste brought to Columbus in 2012. The oil and gas waste coming to Columbus is not new. The drill cuttings coming to Columbus is new, but there is a facility on Marion Road that takes the brine. Granted, it's from conventional wells, so it's not horizontal wells. They title it a centralized treatment facility. What they do with it from there, who knows? They're not required to report it. And here's the data. And all of this came from the Pennsylvania Department of Environmental Protection. It's not information I made up. It's readily available if anybody wants to look it up. Integrity Drive, South, Columbus, Ohio. This is the site. Okay, this is a Google map. You can see the big red A. But this site has been known for many years because it was a dump site. And this dump site, in fact, had to have 2 federal EPA cleanups already in 1995 and in 2007. time critical cleanups. There was such a problem that caused the US EPA to come in and remove waste that they found on the site. And I'm not sure, and you'll see in the next picture, or the last picture, I'm having a hard time locating where these facilities or where these sites would be in relationship to that picture. Yeah.
Northeast.
Yeah, well, but I'm thinking that one of the cleanup sites was right around in here.
Where the trail is by the.
Yep. And then there was another one up in here. So it's kind of hard. I don't want to say specifically which where it is, but you can see where the Ohio soil is. The Ohio soil is right here, and these are the rows of soil that they already have on site. Back to the same picture. The liquid waste that's coming to Ohio. This summer we had a rally in Warren, Ohio, where I announced that Ohio had taken almost 8 billion gallons of fracking waste. Of oil and gas liquid waste, because it was not all fracking waste. Didn't take me long to figure out that my number was way too low, because the number that I had did not include all of the waste that they use in enhanced recovery wells, all of the waste that is spread on our roads. Okay, here is Pennsylvania, and excuse the big blue arrow in the center, but I had to screen. Pennsylvania has 5 active wells. Ohio has 188. We do, however, have almost 250 that are now permitted. Okay, and West Virginia has 63 active wells. Ohio takes 58% of the liquid waste from out of state. Why? Okay, recently it was reported in a newspaper called Quest, the Science of Sustainability, the Ohio Sustainability. And in that report, they had Scott Kell from the Ohio Department of Natural Resources, who informed us that Ohio has injected over almost 3 million barrels, which is certainly a lot different than the numbers that I had found. 300 million barrels times 42 gallons, there's 42 gallons in a barrel. That's 600 million gallons. I can't even say it, it's such a big number. That's why I always have to write it out, 12,600 million gallons. That's it. I know that was pretty short, but I don't think that you need to hear others besides me. I am ready to help in any way I can. I'm ready to be active with each and every one of you. It will take all of us to make this change. I have 2 minutes. I don't need it because I'm done. But please, Carolyn, I'm here. All of you, I'm here.